Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! As you all are aware, this is my Mazda 6 GH. As you can see, I did make a video about how I made this headlight almost invincible to yellowing. Almost invincible. Because there is still one flaw that this can get bad. So now, not only I'm doing finally what I wanted to do, not an update, how it looks like. I'm gonna finish this headlight, because this headlight is bad. And I had enough already of being this yellow. Right now it doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that bad. But it's yellow, it's really yellow. Compared to this. This is clear, shiny, nice. This is yellow. So I'm gonna do what I did in the previous video once I applied the PPF. But this time, as I don't have that much PPF, I will do a split. I'll do this and attach PPF here. You will see this in the video, but this will be a fast edit because I'm doing the thing that I made the video about. If you want to see how I did it in the video, it's in the description down below, the link for the video. But let's speed up and let's fix this headlight so the car looks the same. So the headlight is clear and clean, not yellow and dirty. So let's start.
I need to add some extra information for you. What you see this kit, I have a drill in my hand and it has an wool pad attachment to it, and I used scratch remover paste. This setup, what I have right now, it costs less than an actual orbital polisher. You will see me struggling to apply PPF. It won't stick properly. That's because the bottle, which had just water in, still had some soap in there left. I didn't clean it out properly, so there is still some soap left. That's why I'm struggling so much with applying the PPF, so it sticks. It added extra 20 minutes to put down the PPF. If you put water down, it should take you 3 minutes.
Okay, I'm done. I'm not happy with the results, how it came out. And I will redo this. Once I get a new one, I'll redo this. First, don't make joints. That's just, that looks stupid. And I'm not happy how it's aligning in there. As you can see, here is a bit missing. There's a bit missing. It's not too bad, but it's not good too. That headlight is better. If you look now, at least it's clear and clean now. They both match, but I will redo that one. I will buy a new one, do all the lens. So you can see it is loads better. And now at least the car looks presentable. That's it. Now the car is updated and it's all good. Bye bye.